students. So now female reproductive system. In the previous video you saw, you heard, you listened about male reproductive system. Sperms, testes, sperm ducts and penis. These three organs comprises your male reproductive system. Again quickly let me revise you. Let me just give you again an idea about the male reproductive system. Testes is an oval shaped structure in a human male which produces sperm. Sperm duct वो पार्ट होता है जो sperms को carry करता है. Okay, and penis is that part which delivers the sperm into a human female. Okay, now comes female reproductive system. Means female body में वो parts जो reproduction में required होते हैं, they are called female reproductive system. What are those parts? First is ovaries. There are two ovaries in a human female, or you can rather say a pair of ovaries in the abdominal cavity. Abdomen के पास there are two ovaries which produce egg. जैसे टेस्टिस स्पर्म प्रोड्यूस करते थे, स्पर्म क्या है? मेल सेक्स सेल्स. वैसे ही ओवरी क्या प्रोड्यूस करती है? फीमेल सेक्स सेल्स, जिनको हम कहते हैं ओवा या एग्स. देन सेकेंड पार्ट इज ओविडक्ट. वो ओविडक्ट और फेलोपियन ट्यूब्स. ओविडक्ट का काम क्या है? ओवरी और यूट्रस को मिलाना. द फंक्शन ऑफ फेलोपियन ट्यूब या ओविडक्ट इज टू जॉइन यूट्रस विद ovary. Okay, then third part is uterus. Uterus is a muscular chamber. एक muscular chamber होता है human female में, जहाँ पे fertilized ovum baby में develop होता है. Fertilization मैंने क्या समझाया था आपको? When male sex cells combine with female sex cells, zygote बनता है. ठीक, वो zygote कहाँ बनता है? fallopian tube में. जब वो zygote बड़ा होकर एक एम्ब्रियो, एक बेबी का फेस लेने लगता है, वो प्रोसेस कहाँ होता है? यूट्रस में. That process, where that process happens? That process happens in uterus. Okay? Okay. Then the last part is your vagina. Yes, last part is vagina. Okay. Vagina का काम है to receive the sperm. To receive the sperm from a human male. Okay? So there were three parts in male reproductive system. पहला part था testes, सेकेंड था स्पर्म डक्ट, थर्ड था पेनिस. इन फीमेल देर आर फोर पार्ट्स. पहला है ओवरी. ओवरी का काम है एग प्रोड्यूस करना. फिर है फेलोपियन ट्यूब. फेलोपियन ट्यूब का क्या काम है? टू जॉइन यूट्रस विद द ओवरी. थर्ड इज यूट्रस. यूट्रस, व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ यूट्रस? यूट्रस carries that baby, or development of that baby occurs in uterus. Then fourth part is vagina. So what is the function of vagina? To receive the sperm. Sperm को receive करने का काम vagina का है. So these four parts comprises your female reproductive system. Ovulation क्या होता है? What do you mean by ovulation? The process of releasing egg from ovary. Ovary क्या produce करता है? Egg. जब वो egg वहाँ से release हो जाता है, that process is called ovulation. In a human female, one egg is released every month by either of the two ovaries. हर मंथ ह्यूमन फीमेल में एक एग रिलीज होता है, जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं? जिसको हम कहते हैं ओव्यूलेशन प्रोसेस को. जब भी ये एग स्पर्म से मीट कर जाएगा, प्रेगनेंसी और फर्टिलाइजेशन वुड अकर. Okay students, okay. Then there comes a last topic. How does a embryo develop? See, when male sex cells combine with female, zygote बनता है. Zygote क्या? It's a mass of cells. That zygote differentiates, divides repeatedly and rise into a ball of cells. एक सेल का बॉल बन जाता है इतना बड़ा. Okay. These cells again multiply and differentiate into tissues, organs and organ system. Now this is called embryo. फिर से समझ लीजिए. sperm जैसे ही egg से meet, as soon as the sperms meet the egg, जाइगोट बनता है. जाइगोट एक छोटा सा सेल का मास होता है. दैट जाइगोट रिपीटेडली गेट्स डिवाइडेड and forms a mass ball of cells, a big ball of cells. That ball of cells multiplies, differentiates regularly, and now it is called embryo. This embryo is having tissue, organ and organ system. अब क्या होता है, जैसे ही embryo uterus तक पहुंचा, embryo will attach itself to the walls of the uterus. जैसे ही ये zygote बड़ा हुआ, अब ये fallopian tube से निकल के कहाँ चला जाएगा? Where it will go? It will go to the walls of the uterus. As soon as it will go to the walls of the uterus, it will get implanted there. That process is called implantation. Okay, implantation. Now this embryo will receive nutrition and oxygen from mother's blood through a cord. That cord is called umbilical cord, and that transfer of nutrients takes place through प्लासेंटा. प्लासेंटा वो पार्ट होता है मदर के अंदर जहाँ से जो चाइल्ड डेवलप हो रहा है वो अपना न्यूट्रिशन और ऑक्सीजन इनटेक करता है. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ अ ह्यूमन एम्ब्रियो इज डेवलप्ड. व्हेन दैट एम्ब्रियो इज ऑफ 2 months, ओके, इट इज कॉल्ड फीटस. It is called fetus. Okay, and as it grows after 280 days or 9 months, it completely resembles a baby and it is brought into this world. Okay, this process of giving birth to a baby is called parturition. P-A-R-T-U-R-I-T-I-O-N, parturition. Okay students, in the next class next week we will complete chapter 9, reproduction in animals. So kindly go through the topic. Reproduction, sexual reproduction के 3 steps हैं sexual reproduction के: gametogenesis, fertilization, development of human embryo, then male reproductive system. इसमें 3 parts होते हैं: testes, sperm duct, penis. Female reproductive system में 4 parts होते हैं: ovaries, fallopian tube, uterus, vagina. Then egg is released. One egg is released every month from a human female. That process is called ovulation. When egg is released from the ovary. Okay. Then you will study development of human embryo. Human embryo कैसे डेवलप होता है? पहले जब sperm और egg मीट करते हैं, zygote बनता है. वो zygote डिवाइड होता है into a mass of cell, big mass of cells. वो mass of cell repeatedly क्या होने लगता है? Again that mass of cell repeatedly divide itself and it's called now embryo. Okay, that embryo reaches to the uterus, gets attached to the walls. इस process को हम कहते हैं implantation. पूरी pregnancy, complete pregnancy will occur in uterus. Okay, embryo receives its nutrition from mother's blood through placenta. Placenta से सारा खाना मदर का child में जाता है. Okay, then after 280 days or 9 months approximately, that child is brought into this world, and this process is called parturition. Okay, there are certain topics left like viviparous, oviparous animals, life cycle of a frog, life cycle of a butterfly, differences between asexual and sexual reproduction, that we'll study in the upcoming videos next week. Okay students, I'll be giving you some assignments. Kindly complete it and submit it to me within 2 to 3 days, and make sure your name in class should be written. Okay, thank you so much.